machines, built to carry vast loads, to handle extremes of heat and cold, to exert enormous force, or perform the most delicate functions. They can complete the tasks of 100 workers, or make the job of one person so much simpler. But they're not foolproof. Through human error or duress, they can also break down, deteriorate, need parts replacing, cause accidents if not regularly maintained. And so, to minimize the risk to personal health and safety, not just for those working with equipment, but also for people living and working nearby, we have PURE, the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations 1998. They place the emphasis where it belongs, on risk to personal health and safety. If the equipment involves a specific risk, it should be well signed and only used by designated staff who are carefully trained. First aid equipment should be well to hand. And of course the equipment must always be kept in efficient working order and good repair, using good maintenance management techniques. Changing the wheel requires the apparatus to be turned off and isolated, and protective gloves to be used throughout the change. And ensure that bolt is fully tightened during reassembly in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. Safety is the prime concern, with responsibility firmly fixed with both the employer and the operator. There are a few final questions to be asked. Do you need to clamp or stabilize the equipment or some part of it so as not to pose a risk? Is the area where the equipment's to be used lit well enough for the work to be done safely? And is the lighting itself suitable? Is the equipment clearly marked with any safety precautions? And is the equipment, its parts, or anything produced, used, or stored in it either very hot or cold? If so, it needs protection to prevent anyone being burnt, scalded, or seared.